Hi, we're Team 27 from Working Across Borders. He's PB, I'm Niharika. Our chosen country is Finland. The sustainable goals that we have chosen are goal number 13, that is climate action, goal number 5, that is gender equality, and goal number 11, that is sustainable communities. We have chosen these sustainable goals on the basis of the yearly report of the UN.
And furthermore, an interesting fact that Finland produces around 100,000 tons of plastic waste, and only 15% out of which is recycled. So we came up with the idea that Interface can use is basically make floor tiles and carpet tiles out of the plastic waste that is collected by the Finnish waste collection program. And so basically they would be our key partners. But one more key aspect would be consumer awareness, because that is the most important to promote this program, as well as we could create a value dependent pricing to generate revenue stream out of this, which would lead to great benefits socially, economically. And this would be further discussed in detail by our group members as follows. Thank you.
We have focused as on the environmental aspect on the pestle analysis. In this field, we have found two major categories, namely the ways Finnish people travel and the industry in Finland. Finnish people use a lot of their cars, and they are mostly run on diesel, because it's more cheaper in Finland than the gasoline. They also travel a lot by plane, because the distances are really long. And the Finnish people don't use the public transportation a lot because it's bad developed, except in Helsinki region, Tampere region, Turku region, and in Oulu region. But for example, in Jyväskylä, which is quite major city in Finland, there is a really bad bus transportation system. The industry is very polluting due to lack of competition on the market. The companies don't have to be very innovative to stay on top. The recycling in the industry is also very bad, and in specific in agricultural and construction sector, they almost don't recycle their plastics. Out of the pestle analysis and the cultural dimensions of Gert Hofstede, we have chosen 3 SDGs on which Finland can evolve. The first one is SDG climate action. As in Finland there are lots of diesel cars, air traffic, no need to be innovative in the industry due to monopolies, etc. The second one is SDG gender equality. Now there is a big difference between the wages of men and women, at least in some sectors. The last SDG we chose is sustainable cities and communities. This SDG goes hand in hand with the overall climate change SDG. The government can put some extra effort in alternative transportation and improved water access. Next we are comparing interface to the 3 competitors in Finland. First we have Floor Decor, which sells wooden floors, has different type of floor than interface, but wooden floor might be quite popular in Finland because we like really much wooden products. Then we have K-Rauta, which is hardware store, has different types of floors available, but not specifically luxury floors like Interface has. Its strength is that it has multiple stores around Finland and has other products as well, so people might buy also flooring at the same time when visiting one of those. Then we have Orient to Occident, has also similar products as Interface, founded at 1919 in Helsinki, so it is homemade products what they offer. Interface has advantage of recycled materials if those can be organized better way, so those could be used even more. Like plastic is common in Finland, about 1 kilogram per inhabitant yearly. Interface can use those materials for their products. Other companies has not recycled plastic so much for their products yet. In Finland, Laatapiste is a company that sells Interface products and is indeed quite successful. It has 150 employees and has founded 40 years ago. Laatapiste concentrates to bathroom flooring and tries to be ecological company and uses, for example, on LED lights in their offices and tries to be ecological in other ways also.
With all this information, we have developed a sustainable business idea to expand Interface on the Finnish markets. The overall goal is to close a plastic loop by producing carpet tiles with recycled plastics from the agricultural and construction sector. We learned that these two sectors don't recycle their plastics very well, and by attacking this problem, we work on the SDG climate action. By attacking the plastic loop, we want to increase awareness about the importance of recycling plastics in Finland, with the customers as well as with the suppliers. Secondly, we would like to enhance recycling in the agricultural and construction sector. And at last, it contributes on the 7 fronts that Interface values.
We have developed 4 steps to put the sustainable business idea in practice. First of all, we have to set up a strong network with the farmers and constructors to make sure they want to contribute in our idea. Secondly, we suggest to start producing the plastic carpet tiles and distributing them to the Finnish market. By distributing them, we have to create awareness about recycling with our customers and suppliers through the marketing. At last, we can expand to producing plastic roads collaborating with the Dutch company KWS. This is our business model canvas. The most important factors are our key partners, namely the government and the local communities. We also value our customer relationships highly because we want to create awareness with the big public. A big advantage is that we can use our private channels and there are no extra costs. These are some of the most important topics on the business model canvas that we wanted to emphasize. Thank you for your attention.